Bitcoin is at critical support right now in the market, 27.7k, and if you look at this, what are you expecting? Is market going to move to the upside, or we're going to see the market come back down and break this very level of support? And then on ETH, if the same support level, market is tend to moving to the upside. And on Matic USDT 1-day chart, we are seeing a potential bullish divergence coming out on the chart right now, which will be a very important buy signal. All of these and more in today's video. Watch this video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. BTCUSD 1-day chart. I've been talking about markets coming back down, and exact same thing, markets come back down into this level of support, and I said we must see a breakout. When I talk about breakout all the time, I mean a breakout with a significant bearish candle that closed below every other close within this region that I mark right here. That breakout is very important before we can say market is going to go to the downside. And I said once such breakout occur, that means a bearish candle that closed below every other close within this candle, the market is going to come back into the 25 and 24k level at this very area. So that is what I am paying attention to. So right now, since we are expecting the market to react to the CPI data tomorrow, which is very important, what I am expecting from this data, the market should move to the upside, because the market has already moved down, and so therefore there is a need for the market to correct a little bit before the movement to the downside. So I am expecting this CPI data, when it comes out, either we have a lower inflation or a higher inflation. It does not really matter about the market right now, because it has already come back into this level of critical support. I am expecting the market to move to the upside from this level, and if that breakout occur, two things: if that breakout occur, market is still going to move into this level of support. These are what you should pay attention to right now. And on the 4-hour chart, expect the market to move a little bit from this level to the upside. Like I said, I talked about this yesterday in my video, that market is going to retrace back up. That means after this very area of support right here, I am expecting the market to retrace back to the upside before continuation to the downside. And I said a breakout of this very level of support right here to the downside with a bearish candle will mean that the market is going to continue back down to 25 and 24k dollars, and this is what I am still expecting in the market. So pay attention to this very level where the market is right now, and pay attention to tomorrow's CPI data as well. And on Matic USDT 1-day chart, there is a potential bullish divergence coming out on the chart right now. It has not fully formed, but I am expecting a bullish divergence right here. If you look at it, market is stopping to the downside, and the MACD histogram, this red bar is not much, but we are seeing aggressive move to the downside with this very strong candle. But if you look at it right here, this bar is very little, and this bar as well is also indicating that the market will soon turn from this area where the market is right now to the upside. And tomorrow's CPI data will also impact on this very analysis. So from here where the market is right now to this very level of 0.84, I am expecting the market to move back to the upside. This is my expectation on Matic because of this potential divergence coming out on the chart right now. What I mean by potential divergence is if you move this from here up to this very level, you see that there is a slope upward from this very MACD histogram to the upside on top of this. So it's a potential divergence. It will only be confirmed when we begin to see another histogram formation on the positive side with green bar. And not only that, we have to see a crossover between the MACD line and the signal line right at this very area on the MACD indicator. These are indications that the market is going to move to the upside. So pay attention to all of these, and they are very, very important on the chart right now. And on the 4-hour chart, Matic, right here, I am expecting the market to move to the upside, but before that will happen, I want to see a crossover between the MACD line and the signal line right here. I will give this trade on the various groups at this very area to the downside around this very area of 0.85. This very point, I am expecting this very MACD line and the signal line to cross over each other, price level of 0.89 and 0.85. At this 0 point, I am expecting the market to move to the upside on Matic. Very, very important. And on ETH here, if you notice, ETH, I was talking about the market coming back down and that you should pay attention to this very level of support. You see, this level of support is very, very important. We have a good support here. We have a support at this area. We have support at this point, and we have support at this very area as well. So 3 support levels, and this means that it is a very important critical support, and attention should be given, because if the market break this level of support, that means if we see a bearish candle that close below every other close within this region of support, then that means expect the market to move into this very level of $1,712 at this very area, because this is what I'm expecting. And if we don't see that breakout, that means if market continues to stay at this very area, then expect the market to take a U-turn to the upside. So greater attention should be given to this very level of support. That is what you should be expecting right now on ETH USDT 4-hour chart. And ETH USDT 1-day chart, if you look at it very well, you see the market has been going down as predicted, and right now this very area of support is also very important. That means if a breakout occur here, if you see a bearish candle that close below every other close within this area, then market is going to come back into this zone of support, that is the $1,712 approximately at this very area, and this is what I am expecting. Remember, I talk about the CPI data right here. You see, the CPI data is going to be released tomorrow, and it's very important for you to take a look at it. And the previous is 0.1% and the forecast is 0.4%. What I am expecting, either we have an increase in the forecast or decrease in the forecast. I am expecting the market to rise a little bit to the upside. The reason is because markets have already priced into the downside, and we expect the market to move up. That means even though you see the market begin to tend to move to the downside, expect a move to the upside after the CPI data tomorrow. Very, very important. And like I said, I am going to give a signal on Matic USDT around this area. And what I'm paying attention to is what I've just talked about on the 4-hour chart. What are you paying attention to on the 1-day chart BTC? Very important. Do you expect the market to break this level of support to the downside, or we're going to see from here markets begin to move to the upside? Comment below in the comment section of this video. And if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for all that educational content. Leave a like and don't forget to share this video. If you want to enroll for the Remit trading course, check the description of this video. You say contact, reach out to me immediately. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.